Oh, ya arriba. All right. Anyway, we are in Yosemite, and then you can see the sign over there. It's very, very informing. It says to park over here, and then you go hike. Oh yeah, see them? You can go up there. All kind trails, and they're all clearly marked, telling you where to stay and be careful and don't do stupid things. But this is a wonderful place right here. It's just absolutely magical. You can see the mountain range. Insane.
Look at that mountain. Whoa.
Turn now to move it. Abruptly.
Enough?
Yeah.
Then let go.
Mm-hmm.